I have spent hundreds of dollars trying out nearly all the AI lip syncing tools out there. To compare those, I simply created the exact same clip with each tool. And in this video, I will show you my results and the top tools. And as the first tool on the list, we have a tool called Omni Human. And to access this one, all you need to do is head over to OpenArt.ai. You will find a link directly to this page in the description. Then just sign up and click video on the left hand side and then choose lip sync video and then go here and choose Omni Human as the model. And then all you literally need to do here is drag and drop an image into this view, or you can also do a video, but we're going to do an image. And then you also need to specify what they will say. So you will need to drag and drop an audio clip into this view. And as I said, I will create this exact same clip with every single one of these tools with the same strategy. But now all you need to do is just click create and it will spend 450 credits. And now here is the result that I got from this tool. Hi there, how are you? It is me testing these different tools again. I mean, isn't that incredible? It is super realistic and natural. And now let's talk about the pricing of this product. So as you can see, it costs 450 credits to create one of these videos. And this one's, for example, just 5 seconds in length. So now if we go to the pricing page of OpenArt, you can see that you get 4,000 credits for $7 per month if you do an annual subscription. If you just do the monthly one, you will be spending $14 to get 4,000 credits, and it roughly translates to 8 videos if my math plays out right. So there are not many videos that you can create with $14, and if you want to create like a super long one, it is going to cost you a lot of money. So just be prepared for that. But also, that is not an issue because I have a lot of cheaper tools on this video as well. But this one's the best one, the Omni Human model, and you can easily access it in OpenArt. And then as the next AI lip syncing tool on the list, we have Fabric. And you can access this on, for example, pricier.ai. And once again, you will find a link to that in the description. So once you have signed up, just choose Fabric as your model. This is once again a bit of an expensive one, but I will show you those cheaper models later. So now all you need to do is just upload an image, or for example, you can choose an asset. So let's drag and drop our character here into the view, and then drag and drop your audio clip into this view, and then just hit generate. And for instance, on a 5-second video that I'm using right now, it is probably going to take 30 to 60 seconds. And here is the result. Hi there, how are you? It is me testing these different tools again. I mean, that is super impressive to me. And now let's talk about the pricing here. So first and foremost, Krea is not just an AI lip syncing tool, but it's more of an AI art generator platform. So as you can see, it is not even listing the official number of seconds or number of videos you can create, but I can help you by showing what happened to me. So I have created 4 clips that each are 5 seconds in length, and it says that 20% of my compute units have already been spent. So that's just 5 times of that, and then it's all used, which basically means that I can create 100 seconds of lip syncing video for $8 per month on a yearly subscription and $10 per month on a monthly subscription. And then let's move on to the next AI lip sync generator, and that is called Hydra. And you can actually access it from the same platform, that is Krea.ai, where we used the Fabric model in the previous step. So it is very similar, just choose Hydra from this list and then add your face here, add your audio clip here, hit generate, and there you have your result. And for instance, I got this back from this tool. Hi there, how are you? It is me testing these different tools again. It is clearly a bit lesser of a quality piece of content this time, but it's a lot cheaper model as well. So I believe that this is at least 2 times cheaper than Fabric based on what I saw it using my credits here in the platform. And as the next tool on the list, we have OpenArt's own AI lip sync generator. So if you didn't already check this page, make sure to do so in the description and sign up as well. And here on the left hand side, we do the video again, then click lip sync video, and then choose the OpenArt lip sync from this list. And now all you need to do is just drag and drop your image into this view and then the audio clip as well. And now you can also give an additional prompt for the AI to follow. So for example, you can tell this person to do something else while they are speaking in the AI lip synced video. So that's pretty cool. And nonetheless, once you're ready, just hit create. And as you can actually see, this is going to be only 90 credits compared to, for example, this Omni Human model, which was 5 times pricier. So this one's already a lot cheaper, and you can create a lot of clips like this with the monthly subscription I mentioned earlier. So about 100 credits per video, 4,000 credits. So that's 40 videos like this for just $14 per month. But nonetheless, here is the result that I got from this tool. Hi there, how are you? It is me testing these different tools again. I mean, yes, that is pretty cool, and I would still call it pretty epic and insane if it was like last year or 2 years ago, but today it is just not up to par with the best AI lip sync generators, if I'm honest. And then as the next AI lip syncing tool, we have the tool called lipsync.video. So this one's actually entirely free. So what you can do here is just head over to this page, then drag and drop your image into this view, and then choose upload audio from this view over here. Or you can alternatively also record your audio with the microphone here. And then once you have done that, just hit generate. And here's my result. Hi there, how are you? It is me testing these different tools again. And as you can see, that is not even close to what I was able to produce with these other tools, but it is still pretty good considering that you can do this for free. And now let's move on to another category of AI lip syncing tools, and that is the AI lip sync tools that turn videos into another videos. For example, if you want to do translations. So now you no longer need to upload a photo, but a video instead. And the absolute best tool in this category is HeyGen. And once again, you will find a link to it in the description. Just sign up and you will see this page. And this one has the best generous free trial. So you can create up to 3 minutes of free video here. And now if you want to use the lip sync one, just click translate video here and choose one of these options. I will do the hyper-realistic translation, and then just upload your video clip over here. So for example, I can drag and drop the video that I created using Omni Human where I'm talking in English. And then I'll just choose the target language. For example, we can do Spanish and then just hit translate. And on a short clip like this, it is only going to take like a minute or two, or perhaps even less than that. But nonetheless, here's what the result looks like.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Soy yo probando estas diferentes herramientas otra vez.
And just to compare, here is the original AI-generated lip sync clip. Hi there, how are you? It is me testing these different tools again. I mean, isn't that awesome? And even though this one has a very generous free trial, let's talk about the pricing. So for instance, if you do the $29 per month creator plan, you get up to 30 minutes of video. So if you want to translate your video and do a perfect AI lip sync on your existing clips, then this plan is the way to go. And then as the next video to video AI lip syncing tool, we have Kling AI. And once again, to access this model, I recommend going to OpenArt.ai, and you will find a link to it in the description. So that is actually the reason why I have recommended this so many times, this platform called OpenArt, because here you have all these AI lip sync video features, you have text to video generators, image to video generators, and you can even create and edit images using AI on this platform. So if you want to have anything to do with like AI videos, AI images, AI lip syncing, this is the go-to platform for that because they update these models all the time. So just in case you're wondering why I'm always talking about OpenArt, that is the simple reason. So you don't need to juggle between 10 different windows and have 100 different accounts. So here what you can do is you can drag and drop a video clip, for example, the one that we created using Omni Human, into this view. And then you can also upload another audio clip here, and it will basically do the following. So the AI will take your new audio clip and it will replace what is said in the original video with this new audio clip while making the lips move in a natural fashion. And here's the result that I got. Let's try to change the audio to something completely different. And just to compare, here is the original video that we created earlier. Hi there, how are you? It is me testing these different tools again. So as you can see, it turned out pretty good and it was pretty much perfectly able to replace what was said in the original clip with what I said in this new one. And I really like it. I think this is really good if you also want to do translations, if you already have the audio clips, or if you want to, for example, just replace what is said by somebody in the video clip here.